Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the camera not working issue on the Zangi app. So yes, let's get started. First, you need to make sure Zangi has permission to use your camera. For that, open your phone settings, scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Now use the search icon at the top right and search ZANGI and go to permissions and make sure camera is allowed. Second, test the camera outside Zangi. Open your default camera app to see if your camera works normally. If your camera does not work in other apps too, it could be a hardware problem, not Zangi itself. Third step, restart the app and device because sometimes the camera gets stuck in the background. Close Zangi completely from the recent apps. Wait a few seconds, then reopen it. If that does not help, try restarting your phone to refresh the camera service. Fourth step, update the app. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Here, search for Zangi and tap update if available. App updates often fix bugs that can cause camera glitches. And if you're on Android, try to clear cache. For that, open your phone settings and on the app info section for Zangi, scroll down and go to storage and tap clear cache. Then reopen the app and test the camera again. And if nothing works, uninstall Zangi, restart your phone and reinstall the latest version. Then log in again and try a video call. The camera should now work properly. And that's it. That's how you fix the Zangi camera not working problem on your phone. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.